Want to make 2024 the year you finally take control of your money and start building real wealth? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you exactly how to invest smartly, avoid rookie mistakes, and create a portfolio that works for you. Whether you're starting with $100 or $10,000, this guide is for you. Opening scene. Build excitement. Investing can seem overwhelming. Stocks, bonds, ETFs, crypto. Where do you even begin? But don't worry, I'm here to simplify everything for you. Today, I'll walk you through the key steps to start investing in 2024. No jargon, no fluff, just clear, actionable advice to grow your wealth. Step 1. Set your goals. First things first, why are you investing? Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or just growing your wealth over time? Setting clear goals is crucial because it influences every decision you make in investing. For example, if you're saving for retirement, you might want to focus on long-term, stable investments. But if it's a shorter-term goal, you may need a different strategy. Step 2. Understand your risk tolerance. Next, know your risk tolerance. Here's a simple way to think about it. If your investment drops 20% in value, would you panic and sell? Or would you hold on knowing it could recover? Being honest about your comfort level with risk helps you choose the right investments, whether that's safer bonds or high-growth stocks. Step 3. Start small with index funds or ETFs. Now, here's my favorite tip for beginners. Start with index funds or ETFs. Why? They're like a pre-made basket of investments that spread your money across many stocks or bonds, reducing risk. For example, an S&P 500 index fund invests in 500 of the largest US companies. It's an easy way to grow your money steadily over time without picking individual stocks. Step 4. Automate your investments. Life gets busy, and it's easy to forget to invest. That's where automation comes in. Most brokerage apps let you set up automatic contributions, so every month, a part of your income is invested without you lifting a finger. It's the ultimate set it and forget it strategy. Step 5. Diversify. 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 One golden rule of investing: don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different industries, asset types, and even countries. This way, if one investment loses value, others might gain and balance it out. It's like having a backup plan for your money. Step 6. Stay patient and consistent. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long game. The key is to stay consistent and resist the temptation to chase trends or panic during market dips. History shows that over time, markets tend to grow. Patience really does pay off. Call to action. Empower the viewer. You don't need to be a financial expert to start investing. By following these steps: setting goals, knowing your risk tolerance, starting with index funds, automating, diversifying, and staying patient, you're already ahead of most people. Start small, but start today. Your future self will thank you. Outrow motivational closing. 2024 could be the year that changes everything for you financially. So don't wait. Take that first step today. Subscribe for more easy-to-follow tips on growing your wealth. And let's make this the year you build the financial future you deserve.